We thank you that we are safe from the earthquake. Lord, may you protect us and be a shield to us so that we could be protected from any harm, especially on the danger of the earthquake. Lord, protect our family, our friends, especially our parents who are still in work right now, and our friends and our classmates to be safe also. This we ask in Jesus' name we pray, amen. So good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon po, sir.
Good afternoon po, sir.
Yes po. So, to begin with our activities today, we will have a uh, game of poll question by Quizzes. So if you have the app, you may open quizzes.com. Kapag wala po kayong app, you may open your browser or Google Chrome or Internet Explorer in your cell phone or your laptop. Tapos i-click po ang joinmyquiz.com na aking isi-send sa link sa chat box with the code 533516. Okay? Okay, still waiting for the players. Again, www.joinmyquiz.com. Tapos, ang code po, 533516. Okay, we have the first player, Arola, Fatima. Eleven po tayo lahat. So, dapat ang nandito is 8. 8 po ang makapasok. Angel is here. Again, sino pong nahihirapan, please type on the chat box. Especially sa mga new classmates ninyo, baka nahihirapan kayo. Just tell me sa chat box kung anong problem para ma-solusyonan natin. Francis is also here. We have Zid. Four more students, still waiting for the others. Zid, Fatima, Angel, Matthew, Pearl. Where are the other three? Ask niya, makapasok ka ba or hindi? Ask niya. This site can't be reached po akin, sir. Okay, punta ka na lang sa Google. Sa Google mo i-type joinmyquiz.com. Francesca, sa Google mo i-type. Google. I-type mo lang siya sa Google, joinmyquiz.com. Carl, since you came late, please open joinmyquiz.com. Tapos, i-click po ang code. Or pwedeng quizzes na lang. Kung meron kang app na quizzes, i-open mo. Then with the code 523516. Okay, napakalakas po ng ulan. Naririnig nyo ba? Okay, 5 na po. Still waiting for the 4. Carl, pasok na po. And Asnia and Asral, pasok na po. Please, kung may problem, type nyo sa chat box para alam ko. Asnia, bakit di ka po nakakapasok? Asral, bakit di po nakakapasok? Ganun pa rin. Siguro sa network connection, Maria or Francesca, dahil nga sa ulan. Sige lang po, nakakapasok naman yung iba. So anyway, kung hindi kayo makapasok, proceed na lang kami na 5. And waiting for Carl. Niya, nakapasok na po si Asnya.
Wait lang po, sir. Ano po code?
Code 533516. 533516. Astral is there. Si Carl na lang po. Okay, let's start. This is 5 minutes activity, so wag po magmadali. Then choose lang po, isang question lang po talaga ito. Time starts now. Okay, all done. So the question was, what's your answer? Please post on the chat box. May 5, may 10, may 33, may cannot be. Sino po ang, ano po yung mga sagot ninyo? Please type on the chat box, please. Merong 33, may cannot be din po na nagsagot. So let's find out nga kung tama yung mga sagot ninyo. So siguro din nyo talaga to alam, no? Kasi it's just a pretest. So we have the given x plus 3y. So in this case, we are sabi po dito, if you are going to replace x which with 2 and y with 1 in the expression x plus 3y, what is the equation equal to? So ano nga ba? So in this case, si x daw papalitan natin ng 2 and si y papalitan natin ng 1. So yung x dito palitan siya ng 2, tapos yung plus kopyahin, yung 3 kopyahin. Now magkatabi po si 3 at saka si y. Pag merong combination po ng letter at saka number, magiging times yung gitna. Invisible times. So 3 times, allow me to use parentheses para mag-times. So this is not called parentheses but times or multiply. And our y is equal to 1 based on ating given. So 2 plus 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So your answer must be 5. So very good sa mga nakatama po ng 5 na answer. We have 3 players, I think, who got it 5. Okay, very good. Good start. Okay, next. Proceed naman tayo sa ating lesson. So our lesson will be focusing on algebraic expression. So but before that one, we will have to answer this ponder me question. So allow me to erase this one. So ponder me, given the question, expression square root of y plus 5, judge if it is polynomial or not. Again, this is red tag. Ibig sabihin po ng red tag, isasalip po natin sa exam. So if I were you, you are going to copy this one because this is very important question na lalabas sa exam. Red tag po yan. Okay. So ang question po dyan, is it polynomial or not? Parang ganun po. So I'll be showing example bago nyo sagutan. So not po ang sa kabila naman po polynomial. I'll be showing you an example or examples. So first is this, a while, arrange ko muna. So we have, example of polynomial is x. Polynomial, simple as that. Next, y plus 5. Polynomial, simple as that. Next, x squared plus 3. Polynomial, simple as that. Okay. So based on that example, given the expression square root of y plus 5, judge if it is a polynomial or not. Now, so answer it now on the chat box. Type yes if it is polynomial, not if it is not a polynomial. Or no if it is not a polynomial. Yes or no only. Is it polynomial or not? Okay, please type on the chat box your answers. Yes. Asna, Matthew, Fatima, Carl, Francesca, Astral, and Jan, and Zid. All of you got it wrong. Wala pong natama. So bakit? Anong reason bakit hindi siya polynomial or not polynomial? I'll be giving example. Example of a polynomial is x. Kapag hindi siya polynomial, ganitong itsura niya. Next, example is y plus 5. So, square root of y plus 5 is not a polynomial. This one is an example of polynomial. Kapag hindi siya polynomial, ganito ang kanyang itsura. Now, ano ngayon ang dahilan kung bakit siya hindi polynomial? Anyone? What is now the reason kung bakit siya hindi polynomial? Ito siya, polynomial, x. Pagdating dito, square root of x, not. Ano kaya ang dahilan? May napapansin ba kayo na kakaiba sa kanila? Na
Dahil may square root.
Ano po ulit?
Dahil may square root.
Yes, because of the square root. Okay, kapag ang isang variable or number, or variable na lang, nilagyan mo ng square root, like x plus 5, hindi na siya magiging polynomial. And that is an example of a not polynomial. Okay? So the answer here is not polynomial for Pander me. So copy if you would like to copy because this is important. Type done if you're done. Okay, at ang tawag po dito sa square root na ito ay radical sign. Kapag merong radical sign, not polynomial po siya. Okay, maybe we could continue now. So today, we will be learning evaluating an algebraic expression. So from the word evaluating, meaning isosolve daw natin siya. So can you look at the example number 1 for letter A? We are going to evaluate x plus 3y if x equals 2 and y equals negative 1. So before we begin, I would like to give you an information about this. Yung x plus 3y, yan po yung tinatawag natin na given. Yung may word na if, yan po yung condition. Okay? Again, x plus 3y is our given. If x equals 2 and y equals negative 1, yan po yung condition natin. Ibig sabihin ng condition, ipapalit daw natin siya. So yung kanina, yung pinalitan ko yung x na naging 2 or yung y na naging 1, ang tawag po doon na process is substitution. Alam ko, narinig nyo na ito kung nanonood kayo ng basketball or ng soccer. Ibig sabihin po ng substitution, pag yung isang player na injured, magsabi agad yung coach na, sir, or sa referee, Sir, palitan po natin. Magkakaroon po tayo ng substitution. So, ibig sabihin ng substitution, papalitan. So, sa mathematics, ginagamit din po yan siya. Yung x ngayon, papalitan ng 2 na nakikita sa condition, at saka yung y naman, papalitan ng negative 1. So, let me show you an example for letter A in number 1. So, we have the condition x equals 2 and y equals negative 1. So, ano yung given? X plus 3y. So, in this case, papalitan daw natin si x ng 2. So, itong x mawawala. Lagyan natin ng 2. Kopyahin si plus. Itong plus, kopyahin dito. Tapos itong 3, kopyahin. Ang y, papalitan ng negative 1. Now, take note, magkatabi po sa letter at saka si variable. Kapag nagkatabi po sa letter and variable, magiging times po yung gitna nila. Invisible times. And use parentheses para maging times siya. It is not called parentheses, ha? Times po tawag niyan. Okay, next. Take note, kapag magsulat ng equals, dapat straight siya sa itaas na equals. Hindi po pwede na dito nilagay ang equals or dito nilagay ang equals or dito nilagay. Mali po yun. Dapat magkalinya po talaga. Okay? So, 2 plus 3 times negative 1. So, paano natin yan i-solve? Ganito po. Review muna tayo. Kapag nag-multiply ka ng dalawang positive or parehong sign, the answer is positive. Or kapag nag-multiply ka ng negative times negative, the answer is also positive. Ang rule po, kapag magkapareho ang sign, like plus plus or minus times minus, ang sagot po is positive. Pero pag magkaiba naman ang sign, like minus times positive, the answer is negative. Or positive times negative, the answer is also negative. Take note, magkaiba sila ng sign, so negative po ang sagot. In this case, si 3 is positive, tama? Next, si 1 naman is negative. So magkaiba sila ng sign. So pag magkaiba ang sign, magiging minus na dyan. Burahin na ito si plus. So 3 times 1 is 3. Next, 2 minus 3 is 1. Pero sino po ang mas malaki? Si 3 or si 1? Of course, si 3. Ano ngayon ang sign ng mas malaki? That is negative. So kopyahin ang negative dyan. The answer here is negative 1. Okay, please copy the answer. Type done if you're done. Okay, maybe we could continue now. Okay, we will not answer any more example number 1, letter B, and example number 2. Bakit? Mahirap po yan siya na question. Kasi po sa first 2 classes ko kanina, hindi po talaga nila makaya ang solving niyan kasi masyadong mahirap. So magbibigay po ako ng example na medyo madali. So we have the condition, x equals 2, then y equals 3. So, ito po ang given, x, 2x plus 3y. Or minus na lang, minus 3y. Okay, equals. Papalitan daw po si x ng 2. So, kopyahin si 2, palitan ng 2 dito. Next, take note, 2 at saka x are letter and variables. Therefore, merong invisible times. So, lagyan siya ng parentheses or times na symbol. Minus, ito po, 3. Ano po ang papalit kay y is 3. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Pero, si 3 is negative, yung kabilang 3 is positive. Negative and positive, magkaibang sign, so negative din po ang isusulat. Next, 4 minus 9. Ibabawas, magiging 5. Sino mas malaki, si 4 ba or si 9? Si 9. Ano ngayon ang sign ni 9? Negative. So, negative din po ang sagot. Nakuha? Okay. What if, baliktarin ko siya, Kayo naman mag-solve. Ay, i-copyhin nyo muna. Copyhin nyo muna example letter B. Start now, then you type done if you're done. Okay, we could continue now. So, palitan natin si 2 ngayon, baliktarin natin siya. Si 2 gagawin natin 3, si Y gagawin natin 2. So, kayo naman mag-solve. You type on the chat box kung ano po ang sagot ninyo. Okay, start now. Just post your answer if you're done. Anyone? Kung may nakasolve na, please type your answer on the chat box, please. Zero. So let's find out if it is zero. From Pearl and Matthew. Antoinette also zero. And Fatima. So let's find out daw kung tama ang sagot ninyo. Si X ngayon palitan ng 3. Magiging 2 times 3 na yan siya. Kopyahin si minus. Tapos si 3 ngayon, ay si 3 kopyahin. Tapos si Y palitan ng 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And that is correct. Very good. Okay, next. Letter C naman tayo. Okay, sa letter C, ito yung given. Ang condition pala, ang condition is M is equal to 2. Okay? So, ay, palitan ko na lang. M is equals to 3. So, given, ang given po natin is M squared. So, in this case, palitan daw natin si M ng 3. So, isulat ang 3. Tapos, kapag meron pong exponent like squared, cube, raised to the 4th power, raised to the 5th power, basta meron pong mga ganun yung power na yan, lagyan po siya ng parentheses. Tapos, isulat yung power. Okay. Ibig sabihin po nitong 3 squared, itong 3 daw, i-multiply sa kanyang sarili ng ilang beses? 2. So, ano po yung sa kanyang sarili? Si 3, ano ba yung sarili niya? 3 din. So, i-multiply siya sa 3. 3 times 3. Yan po yung ibig sabihin ng 3 squared. Or pwedeng i-shortcut 3 times 3, that is 9. So, ilang beses na ulit si 3? 2. Kaya siya 3 squared. So, 9 ang sagot dyan. Okay? Copy? Hindi po pwedeng negative 0, Fatima. Wala pong negative na 0. Kapag 0, Always lang siya 0. Walang positive na 0, wala din pong negative na 0. So, meron akong student last year, sabi niya sa akin, Sir, gituro gud sa amin sa elementary na ang 0 is negative. Sabi ko, baka nagkamali lang yung teacher or mali mo lang narinig. Ang 0 po, hindi po siya negative, hindi din po siya positive. Ang tawag po sa kanya, neutral. Ibig sabihin ng neutral, nasa gitna siya ng positive at siya nasa gitna siya ng negative. Wala siyang sign. So 0 is only 0. Neutral po ang 0. Okay, done? So let's proceed with another example. Okay, what if palitan natin yung given? Yung m ngayon, hindi siya 3. Palitan ko siya ng negative 1. Okay? What is your answer? Palitan natin ng negative 1. You may type on the chat box. From Aswal, that is 4. Okay, what about the others? We have 1 from Pearl. Matthew is saying 4. 1 from Zid. Okay, let's reveal the answer. M squared. So, ang M, palitan daw ng negative 1. So, negative 1. Tapos, meron man siyang squared. So, lagyan siya ng parentheses sa gitna, ay sa gilid. Then, lagyan ng squared dyan. Ibig sabihin po ng squared, i-multiply sa kanyang sarili ng 2 beses. So, negative 1 times negative 1. So, negative, negative, magiging positive. Kasi pareho silang negative, so therefore positive ang sagot. Positive 1 times 1 is 1. And positive is always invisible, so alisin na lang siya. So, the answer here is 1. So, tama po, Carl, Matthew, Angel, Maria, Zid. Let me see for the others. Okay, di mascan. Touchscreen kasi itong tablet, di mascan. Okay, 1 po ang tama. So, congratulations po, nakatama. Okay, another example for letter D. Okay, what if naman ganito? M cube. Or dagdagan natin ng M cube minus 1. So, ganyan po. Ang given natin, ang M is equals to, allow me to use this on the side. Ang given po natin is negative 1. So, solve tayo. So, M cube, palitan natin ng negative 1. Negative 1 cube minus 1. Ibig sabihin po naman ng cube, i-multiply itong negative 1 ng 3 beses sa kanyang sarili. So, magiging negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Okay? Okay, next. Negative times negative, positive po. 1 times 1 is 1, so positive 1. So naman i-multiply natin, positive 1 at saka negative 1, positive at saka negative, magkaibang sign, so negative po ang sagot. Negative 1. So negative 1 po ang sagot dyan, minus 1. So, next. Negative 1 minus negative 1. So, ganito po ang kuanyan siya, ang clue nito. So, meron kang, basta negative, utang. Basta positive, bayad. Yun yung tandaan nyo. Meron kang utang. Tapos meron na namang utang. Ilan na yung utang mo? Kung meron kang utang na piso, tapos meron ka pang utang na piso, ilan na yung utang mo?
2.
2. So, since utang siya, negative pa rin yung gagamitin natin. Nakuha? O, yun yung clue dyan. Pag negative, utang. Kapag positive, bayad. Nakuha? So, the answer here is negative 2. Yan po ibig sabihin ng cube. 3 beses mo sila i-multiply. Example ha, ulitin ko ha. 1 cube is equal to 1 times 1 times 1. Sulat nyo sa gilid para meron kayong idea or clue. Okay, type done if you're done. Okay, next. Letter E. Letter E example. Letter E naman, for example, is 2m over 2. Or palitan natin siya ng 3 pala. 3m over 2. Tapos, ang m po natin, where m is equal to 7. Or mas mababa na lang para mabilis nyo masolve. Okay, 4 na lang. So, palitan natin yung m ng 4. 3 times 4 over 2. Now, take note, pag nagsulat po kayo ng over, dapat nasa gitna po siya ng equals. Hindi po pwede nasa taas ng equals, tulad nito. Hindi po yan pwede. Hindi po yan pwede nasa baba, kailangan nasa gitna talaga. Okay, para maganda po tingnan. Ha? Yun yung tandaan nyo. Dapat nasa gitna talaga siya. Okay, for ang ating given. So, equals. 3 times 4, that is 12. Over, nasa gitna. 2. Copihin si 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Lagyan pa ba ng over? Hindi na po kapag na-solve na siya. So, 12 divided by 2, that is 6. And that is now the answer. Okay? Next, what if, copihin nyo muna. Copihin nyo muna. E is equals to 3m, letter E. Again, type done if you're done. Okay, next. What if ang m, palitan ko? Palitan ko siya ng negative 2. Sige daw, kayo daw mag-solve. Negative 2. Post your answer if you're done. Okay, what is your answer now? Arola is 3. Asnya is 3 also. Zid is 2, negative 3 kay Fern, Maria is 3, and Carl, 3 din po. So let's find out. Reveal tayo. So 3, so lahat, ang m is negative 2 over 2. So 3 is positive, right? And 2 is negative. So magkaiba sila, plus at saka minus. Pero pag i-multiply mo ang magkaibang sign, like plus and minus, magiging negative din yung sagot. So negative 2 times 3 is 6. Then copy si 2. Next, pag mag-divide naman kayo ng magkaibang sign, 6 is negative. Tama? Si 2 is positive. Pag magkaiba naman sila ng sign, ang answer din po is negative. Pero pag pareho silang negative, the answer is positive. Or pareho silang positive, dito sa numerator at denominator, pareho silang positive dyan, positive din po yung sagot sa baba. So, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Kaso lang, magkaiba sila ng sign, so therefore, negative po ang sagot dyan. So, negative 3 is the correct answer. Okay, very good for the negative 3. So, maybe we could start now. Alam niyo naman siguro. So, magkakaroon tayo ng quiz. Gamit natin ang quizlet.com. Isasend ko po ang code for a while. Napin ko muna ang code. Okay, our game is a matching game. Ima-match po ninyo kung tama. Click match po. Huwag po mag-click ng test, spell, write, learn, live, gravity. Match po ang i-click na game. So, isi-send ko po ang link sa inyong sa ating Google Meet chat box. So, i-click lang po ito. Click match po. Huwag po mag-click ng iba. Match lamang i-click. So, sa mga hindi naman po makaklik ng ating may iba kasing cellphone, hindi makaklik ng link dyan. So, ita-type ko na lang po. Isi-send ko po dito sa 7 Yabo na GC. So, for our quiz number 7. Okay, paano po checkan? 2 points po ang tama, 1 point naman po ang mali. 2 points ang tama, 1 point ang mali. Ganito po pagsagot. I-partner nyo lang po siya or i-match. Pero before nyo sagutan, ipakita nyo muna ang solution nyo sa notebook para picturean nyo mamaya at isi-send nyo sa ating page. Okay? So that is quiz number 7. Click match only. Isosolve nyo muna siya sa notebook ha bago nyo sagutan sa ating quizlet.com or Quizlet na game para mapicturean nyo yung solution ninyo at isi-send sa page. So you have 10 minutes for that. Your time starts now. Are there any questions? Just type on the chat box please kung merong tanong at kung hindi makapasok. If there are problems, please type on the chat box. Okay, 10 minutes, time starts now. Please do not forget to tally your scores. 2 points po ang tama, 1 point po ang mali. Be honest class ha. Seven minutes left. 6 minutes left. If you're done, class, you type done, then you picture your solution in your notebook, then send it with our page at www.facebook.com/humang21. Name it as quiz number 7, class. Five minutes left. Last 4 minutes. Again, kung meron na natapos, please type done on the chat box para malaman ko kung pwede mag-extend pa ako or hindi. Yes po, Matthew, over 20. Carl, bakit wala ka pong solusyon? Sana merong solusyon para makita ko po. Okay, sa mga tapos na, type done. At kung mababa talaga yung score nila, pwede naman kayo mag-repeat. Total, na-post ko naman sa GC ng 7 Yabo ang link para pwede nyo sagutan anytime kung gusto nyo mag-ulit. Again, pwede po kayong mag-ulit kung talagang palagay nyo napakababa ng score nyo. So last 1 minute. Or we could extend up to 3 minutes. Again, sa mga nakakuha ng score na napakababa talaga, pwede po kayong mag-ulit para makuha naman kayo ng mataas na score. So, i-open nyo lang siya sa link na gisend ko sa inyong GC. So we have one done from Francesca. How was your score, and Francesca? May I know your score? $15 po, okay? That's good. Pero kung gusto mo pang magtaas, pwede ka mag-repeat. Okay, still waiting for the others to finish. Again, mas maganda po sana kung may solusyon para makita nyo talaga kung tama yung sagot nyo or hindi. Kasi po, pag meron kayong solution tapos nag-solve kayo, kunyari ang sagot nyo -5, pero wala naman dyan sa options, therefore, mali yung sagot nyo. Hanapin nyo na naman ulit. Okay, update po sa Iban kung tapos na ba or hindi. Just type done if you're done. Astral, how was your score? May I know your score? Eight. Okay, pwede ka pong mag-repeat, Astral, so that you could have a higher score. Just open the link tonight on your GC. Pwede pong ngayon na din, pwede pong mamayang gabi, para hindi ka po mababa. Okay, para makarest na kayo siguro. So, continue na lang yan siya mamayang gabi, basta masend nyo sa akin bukas or ngayong gabi. So, please open your cameras. We will have a picture taking for our class for today. Para makapahinga na kayo, kaya masyado na ata kayong burden. Okay, please turn on your cameras, please. For a while, ha? I-full screen ko lang. Saglit lang, loading. Okay, in 3, please turn on your cameras. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, goodbye everyone. I hope you enjoyed the class today.
Thank you, sir.